Phil?
I'm Phil. This is my friend Danny, and today I'm going to be his sparring partner. Oh! Yeah.
He's supposed to hit you, man.
I know, man. Oh. There. Ah.
Oh, I stopped there.
Bitch. Oh, shit.
That would have connected, dude.
That would have connected. Ow.
One that my dad taught me today.
Oh, shit. Oh.
You
Okay,
like?
wait a minute.
Well, bro, you just like disappeared at first.
Okay. Oh.
Stop taking that dick up your ass.
Okay, we're good. Woo! That's how you be a sparring partner.
I like it.